Hey, what's up there? It's Gary here from SaferWholesale.com. If you guys are looking for those special Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday deals, then call us right now. You got to pick up the phone and dial 866-606-3991, and we have huge deals going on right now on thousands of unique items, appliances, motorsports, custom golf carts, go-karts, dirt bikes, thousands of unique items, saunas, hot tubs, mopeds, and so much more. Also sell snow plows. Check it out. Again, toll-free number 866-606-3991. That's the phone number. You pick up the number, you pick up the phone, and you dial right now. If you guys are looking for deals, you're going to call and pick up right now. Again, the Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday deals are here right now today. Keep in mind, we also finance and we can ship right to your front door nationwide with as little as $50 down. We can get the product right to your front door. So again, order today, call right now, pick up the phone and dial 866-606-3991 and we'll get deals right now. But again, the sale ends soon. So again, order and don't miss out.